Hello guys, today we are going to learn on how to register the amount of cash invested by the owner of the business in Tally. So basically it will go under the capital accounts. So let us start. You double click on your Tally program. Okay, you select company. Okay, this is the company name. Double click. Okay, now here you select accounting vouchers. Okay, now we are going to receive money from the owner. Okay, don't select payment. If when you are receiving cash or money or any payment, you just select a receipt voucher, not a payment voucher. A receipt voucher. Double click. It opens. Now here you select the account where we are going to receive the money. The account that is going to receive the money. For example, let me just select the bank account which I selected, which I created. In case it is a cash payment, you just select cash. But since now it is a bank payment, let me just click on bank. Double click the bank to press enter. Okay. Now here we select the name for that for the owner. Now our example is Mr. John Mposa. He is one of the shareholders. We select the name. Now here in the amount we put the amount of money paid. For our case, let us put 800,000. Okay, let me confirm if it is 800. This is 80 million. Select. You click there. Click there. Now here in narration, check number. Let us put EFT. That's paid by EFT. Enter.